Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you how to create your Facebook page and earn a lot of money. Yeah, you think right? We will create a lot of money by using your Facebook page. So without wasting, let's start video. On your Facebook page, now click to the home page. Now back to the menu, click on create a new page. And now click this is a personal profile and a public profile. If you want to create a personal profile, click on the personal. If you want to create a public page, click on public page. So I am create public page, so click next. And now get started. Now enter your page name. I am going to create a business, so I am Ladies Fashion. Now next, choose your category. I am selling products, service, shoppings. I will choose 3 categories. Now click to the next. I think it's a problem, like turn back, next, and then create. It's going to take a few minutes. There are a lot of options to create a good page. It's bio, website, email and phone number. You don't decide what to write bio, so skip. If you have a website, you can paste website. I don't have a website. Now click to the email. Enter your email, gmail.com. Now enter your phone number. Now enter your location. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Write your phone number with your country code. Enter your full address, your home, street, house number, street number. Now select your city, town. Now enter your postcode or zip code. Now select your opening hours. You can set your time when you want to open your page. So that's just nice. It can take a lot of minutes, but don't worry. click done. Now click to the next. Here we have a website. I have Adra store, so I click on the I have known website, but I have store on Adra, so I paste the link of my shop to the website. I simply open Adra center, click on me, share shop and copy link. Now back to your Facebook, paste here, and if you have website, you can paste your website link on this side. So bio, we don't decide bio, so we just enter anything. We deal in quality. Products, we deal in quality products. Yeah. And next. And now we will go to customization. We don't decide. Open your gallery and select your pictures you want to upload. Don't have pictures, so I am going to now upload our pictures successful. Now click on background pictures. I don't have any background pictures, so I'm searching random stuff. Which I upload, which it's going to take too much time, guys. That's it. I found a picture. Yeah, upload picture. Then next. Again next. Done. And now your Facebook page is ready to use. You can upload anything about your page. The interface, you don't need any control of your page. Here the picture upload. And here are the keyboards. You can also connect your WhatsApp link. Just simply enter your WhatsApp number without any country code. Then send code to your WhatsApp. You will check your WhatsApp, get a code. Once it's going to check. Now it chats and look, WhatsApp sending a code. You simply paste here and done. Again, reaction button. I will choose send WhatsApp message. And then next. Again, after country, I choose Pakistan. Yeah, I live in Pakistan. And enter your number. Again, send code. And now your WhatsApp is completely connected. There are 2 steps to complete. Write a welcome post and invite your friends. If you don't know what to write in a welcome post, go to ChatGPT and write. It will give you a short text. You will paste it. Here is your personal dashboard. Here is your analysis. Here is the Here is your ad center where you are running your ads through Facebook. So thanks you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay here. Bye bye.